Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel, which is Check More. I am here today with a new HTML and CSS video in which I am going to share you how to add an image in your HTML page. So here we go. When we are going to apply an image in HTML, we are going to use image tag, img image tag. Image tag, press paste button. Image source, src, source is used for where is source, where is my image is located. Double image source, src is used for source. When you are going to double click source and browse, you can upload any kind of image, like I am going to open this image. And you can also, here is your image tag. First of all, you have to save your file, Control S. When you save your file, Control S or Control Shift or S. When you save your file, okay, your image exists here. You can see this is my result page. You can see that this is too large for my page. I am going to apply an inline style. I'm going to apply an inline style on my image. I'm going to its width, width, width. I'm width 200 and its height, here is height, it's 300 height. Okay, Control plus S, Control plus S. You can see in Chrome, this is my image. I applied on image tag. We are using image tag, image source. When you apply source tag, it will give you a browse option. When you browse your image you want to save, your image will display on your HTML CSS page. But there is one more thing. When you don't save your image and HTML file, in which you are working HTML file in the same place, your image is not displayed. Note that down. This is most important note, because if you don't save both files on the same place, your image will be not displayed on your HTML page like this. I am going to save this file as save as desktop. My image is also in desktop and my file is also in desktop. This is how we upload an image to. You can see there is a lot of here tags. You can use div tag. If you apply on this, you can give a class and ID to it. Okay, and when you on order list, it automatically create here on ordered list. You can apply any kind of style by applying these styles here, and CSS transactions like CSS designers and codes, and you can use any file you want to insert in your documents. And also you insert here paragraph page, navigation page. You have to insert header inside articles, sections, footers, figures. Each and everything you want to insert in your HTML page is here. And while you apply this, when you going to apply this angular bracket, it give you a lots of options. You want to create, you want to add a tag, you can use image tag. You press image tag is here. If you want to use tag of link tag, link here. This is link tag. You can each and everything you like to want to display on HTML page. I hope you like my video, hope you subscribe, hope you share it with your friends with more and more to get more information. Okay, see you next time. Bye bye.